Hey guys, dude, I always do my hands like, okay, anyways. Hi guys, hey, this is Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, what's up? So in today's video, I wanted to give you guys a Valentine's look. This is something that I would actually wear. The products that I used, I don't know what is going on, but I was having such a hard time filming today. Like, all the products were like, and that usually never happens. Like, I have bomb ass products, excuse me, I have bomb products, but today was not working out for me. Like, today was tough. So I still, you know, pull through. I really love a burgundy look, and this is the look that I came up with. You know, a little festive for Valentine's, if you guys have any plans with boyfriend, husband, fiance, you know, or even if you guys just have plans with your girlfriends, you guys can easily do this. You know, Valentine's is about love. You know, just go out with whoever you guys love. So before we jump to the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that notification bell just so you guys know when I do upload. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Right here, I am filling in my eyebrows. I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color medium with a Morphe angle brush, and this one is M165. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and carve and clean our eyebrows, and I am using the Fit Me Maybelline concealer in the color Sand Sable, and I am blending the concealer with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush JH08. Now we're gonna go ahead and set our concealer, and I am using the translucent powder from MAC. Now we're gonna go ahead and pick up the Naked Urban Decay Heat palette, and we are going to pick up the shade Sauce, and this will be our transition shade. Now we're gonna go ahead and move to the second shade, and I'm picking Cayenne, and I'm patting the shade into the crease, and then I'm blending it. Now I'm going with my first blending brush, and I'm blending both of the colors together. Now I'm going back with Cayenne, and I am intensifying the crease color. Okay, so now I am mixing two shades from the palette. The first shade is Ashes, second shade is En Fuego, and I am deepening the crease. Okay, now I'm going back and I'm picking up the shade Sauce, and I am blending all four shades together. And for the last time, I am picking up both Ashes and En Fuego and just deepening in the crease a little bit more. Now for the lid shade, I am picking up this loose pigment from ColourPop and Kathleen Lights in the color The Scorpion. And I did wet my brush to intensify the color on the lid shade. I don't know if you guys remember, but I did try it dry on my previous tutorial and it did not work, so that's why I am wetting it this time. So I did pick up the color a little better once my brush was wet, but still not as pigmented as I would like it to be. So the brush wasn't really working, so here I am using my finger to see if I can pick up the shade better. Now let's go back and blend all the colors together. Okay, let's keep on blending, but I'm really sad about the loose pigment. Okay, so I'm just cleaning my under eye. We're gonna go ahead and curl our lashes and prep our lashes for falsies. Okay, the mascara that I am using here is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original, and I'm just coating my lashes. So here I am going to go ahead and try to put these Kiss lashes, but they did not work. They turned out to be all torn up. So here I'm putting on the Ardell Wispy lashes, which turned out to be a lifesaver. Okay, now let's move on to our bottom lash line, and I am picking up He Devil to smoke out the bottom lash line. Okay, so the next shade that I'm picking up is En Fuego, and I am putting this as close to my lash line as possible. So now I am trying to hold a black pencil. Can I not drop it? Take two. Alright, so I'm using this black pencil to tie line my waterline. Okay, and then I'm going back with He Devil, and I'm buffing the color in, and I'm also going back with En Fuego, and I am getting this color as close to the lash line as possible. Now I'm picking up the Stilla shade in the color Kitten for the inner corner. Now let's move on to lips. I'm using the NYX lip liner in the color Ever, and I am topping that off with the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the color Celebrity Skin. Alright guys, well that completes the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys love my take on what I would do for Valentine's. This burgundy look is everything. Well, thank you so much for your time, your love, your support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.